How to fix iMessage not sending or delivering on iPhone. Firstly, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down. Here you will see an option App. Click on the Apps option. All the apps that are installed on your device will be displayed here. Scroll down and click on Messages. Inside Messages, there will be an option called iMessage. Make sure that the iMessage option is turned on. If it's already turned on, then turn off and turn it back on. Doing this will refresh the iMessage feature on your messages. Now go back to your settings. In Settings, click on your Apple account at the very top. At the very top, you should see the option Personal Information. Click on Personal Information. Now here you will see the option Communication Preferences. Make sure that you have set Preferences. Now go back to your Settings menu. Scroll down and click on General. Inside General, click on Software Update and check for any updates that may be available. Now go back to your home screen and give your device a quick restart. After giving your device a quick restart, your problem should be fixed. That's all for today. Thank you.